Hello, and welcome to our channel. If you're a car enthusiast, you're in for a treat today. Chery has just unveiled the exterior of its flagship crossover, the Tiggo 9. This new Chery Tiggo 9 is set to be the largest and most expensive crossover in Chery's lineup, and we can't wait to review it. The SUV has been spied on by photographers, and the company has also posted photos of the camouflaged Tiggo 9. But now, we have official pictures of the flagship without camouflage, thanks to which you can see the novelty in all its details. While this car is known under the internal code 26, Chinese media have already unanimously assigned the crossover name Chery Tiggo 9. There is very little information about it yet, but we know that the 9 is the closest relative of the recently unveiled crossover Exeed Yayuguang, based on the 2-Cox platform. In terms of technology, it will also be unified with the Exeed. The turbocharged 2.0 Tiggo engine of the Kunpeng series has already been confirmed, but there is no information about the transmission. The Exeed Yayuguang has a traditional 8-speed automatic and all-wheel drive. The same set can go to Tiggo 9. Drive is either front or all-wheel drive. In the photos, you can see a large radiator grille with vertical chrome blades on a black glossy backing, L-shaped elements in the front bumper, retractable door handles, and LED headlights. Matrix headlights and 20-inch wheels are also claimed. The Chery emblem is equipped with backlighting. The lights are connected by a thin strip under which there is a brand name. The massive bottom of the body compensates for the lightweight top with a large windshield and descending roof. The profile of the Tiggo 9 reminds us of the Range Rover Velar. There are no official pictures of the interior yet, but we know that the Tiggo 9 can be offered in 3 versions, 5, 6, and 7 seats. Those who are subscribed to our Telegram channel could already see the images that made the Chinese spy. In the cabin, there is a multi-steering wheel with black glossy inserts, a single cluster of virtual dashboard, and a screen of the multimedia system with smoothed corners, as well as rectangular air vents with chrome edging. All Chery Tiggo 9 has a transmission selector in the Mercedes style, a projection screen, a separate control panel for rear passengers, as well as remote controls for seats on the door cards. The Chery Tiggo 9 was scheduled to premiere at the Guangzhou Auto Show, but the event was postponed due to an outbreak of coronavirus. The new presentation date of the flagship crossover has not yet been reported. Friends, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and share your opinions on whether you like the new flagship from Chery. If you're interested in cars, I advise you to look at our Telegram channel, where we release current automotive news every day. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more updates on the Chery Tiggo 9 Pro 2023, the most anticipated crossover of the year.